look like someone who likes freedom, flexibility, and making life fun and profitable. Am I right? Totally. I want to make money but enjoy it too. Exactly. That is why I joined the digital space. I run a beacon store with 10 high in demand digital income streams. And honestly, it changed everything. Tell me more, but make it quick. I don't have time for complicated stuff. Same. That is what I love. It's low tech, it's easy, and I only work 2 hours a day. Most of the products are once off buys with 100% profit margin. I don't do monthly chasing. I sell once off and I keep the profit. I started just 7 months ago and I earn around about 30,000 Rand per month passively. Wait, passive? Like money come in while you chill? Yes, fully automated system. I just do the marketing, and the best part? I've got a subscription affiliate program too. 50% recurring income directly to my PayPal account. Just one referral can pay you month after month, and it stacks. That sounds like the fun cash flow I need. But is it legit? 100%. I only sell high integrity digital programs that people actually use and love. I've got a growing team, full support, and zero tech headaches. I just do the marketing. I can even show you my tech setup. Copy, paste, personalize, and go. Okay, I'm in. Where do I start? Check the link in my bio. It'll take you to my Beacon store. Pick a program or jump into the affiliate model. Your digital lifestyle starts now.